Hi everyone, and welcome. If you are an international student planning to study at Savitribai Phule Pune University, formerly known as Pune University, this video will walk you through the complete registration process on the International Center portal. This single window system is used by all foreign national NRI, PIO, OCI, CIWGC, and CIWSE Asia, applying for undergraduate and postgraduate courses at Pune University. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to register, fill your application, upload documents, select your colleges, pay your fees, and get your college allocation. So let us get started. To begin, open your browser and visit official portal for international admissions to Savitribai Phule Pune University. On the home page, you will see two buttons at the top: a login button for candidates who have already registered, and a register button for new applicants. Since we are starting fresh, we will click on Register Now. Remember, new applicants must always complete the register process first before they can use the login option. The registration itself is divided into 4 short stages: personal details, gender, student category, and contact details. In the first stage, you will enter your full name exactly as it appears on your latest mark sheet, followed by your father's or guardian's first name and your mother's first name. This is extremely important. Once you confirm and save your name, it cannot be edited again, so please check the spelling carefully before moving forward. In the second stage, you select your gender, male, female, or other, and click Next. The third stage is where you choose your student category, and this decision shapes the rest of your application, so take your time. There are 6 categories on the SPPU portal. The first is Foreign National, the second is Non-Resident Indian, or NRI, the third is Children of Indian Workers in Gulf Countries, or CIWGC, the fourth is Person of Indian Origin, or PIO. The fifth is Overseas Citizen of India, or OCI. And the sixth is Children of Indian Workers in Southeast Asia, or CIWSE Asia, which comes with a special quota and fee structure. If you are not sure which category fits you, simply hover your mouse over each option on the portal and the definition will appear. In the fourth and final stage of registration, you will enter your contact details. Start with your active email address, because every login detail, update, and progress notification will be sent there. Then create a password and confirm it. Remember that this password is case-sensitive and will be used every time you log in. Next, enter your phone number with the correct country code. This number will also receive all your application communication, so keep it active. After that, select your date of birth. Finally, type in the verification code shown in the CAPTCHA image. Read and accept the terms and conditions, and click Register Now. Once again, please double-check every field, because these details cannot be edited after submission. Once you have registered, go back to the home page and click Login. On the sign-in screen, use only your registered email address as your username. Do not use your mobile number or any other email. Enter the password you set earlier. If you ever forget your password, simply click Forgot Password, enter your registered email, and a reset link will be sent to your inbox. If you do not see the email, please check your spam or junk folder. Once your email and password are correct, click Sign In to enter your dashboard. Your dashboard is your control center for the entire application journey. When you log in, you will see your name at the top, a 5-step progress bar showing every section of the profile, your profile completion percentage, the number of steps completed and pending, and a Complete Now button that takes you directly to the next pending step. On the right side, the Guidelines and Resources section gives you access to the Application Guide PDF, the Document Checklist PDF, a short video tutorial, and a FAQs document. A pro tip before you start: download the Application Guide PDF and the Document Checklist first. They will save you a lot of time and help you avoid common mistakes. From here, you are only 5 steps away from completing your application. Those 5 steps are: personal details, additional details, guardian details, education details, and documents upload. Let us go through each one.